Do you know that a simple web application can have over a 20 dependencies and that leading to your bloated bundle size and slow speed? That's lot. In this video, you will learn about amazing tool called Bundlephobia. A tool is designed for web developer make a smarter decision while choosing their npm packages. And trust me, it is going to be game changer who is going to work in a web development. So let's dive into the problem we often face. Many developers struggle with the managing package dependency. You install a few packages and before you know it, your bundle size has skyrocketed. Yes, this can lead to the longer load time, which is a total bummer for user experience. Right? So not only that, but it can also increase the cost, especially if you are using a service that charge based on the bandwidth or storage. Such as example, AWS Amplify charge you for the bundle size and the amount of storage you use to store your CSS, JS file, all this part, right? So let's be real. Nobody want their user clicking away because your app take ages to load. So you want to keep your user happy, right? Now, here where the bundle phobia comes in to save your day. This nifty tool analyzes the package size, popularity, and download statistics. Let's look at how exactly work. I'm just trying to give some example of AWS SDK. Let's check out for this and click on the search. Okay, yeah. So it now loading. It is trying to get some details. Yeah, you can see this here. The bundle size is 3.5. This is minify version. 440.6 KB minify plus GGIF version. Download time takes 8.8 milliseconds. Seconds, sorry. And emerging time will be 0 0.5 on a 4G network. So it like show. It will show like how it exactly work on 3G network, 4G network, and you can see that this is like current trend of this particular thing, how exactly work. Composition time, some export analysis will be there, like that it exactly show the more detail. Okay, so you can easily check how much space and package will take up your app before you even install it. Plus it show you a download train, so you can package is widely used or some random library that nobody care about it. So by using the bundle phobia, you can make informed decision and avoid bloating your application with the unnecessary dependency. So this is an open source platform. You can see in the GitHub there's a good 9k stars are there. You can available here and you can do the contributions also. Let's check out one more part also into the well. So I have actually, let me see the if I can do it again. Let's go back to the main page and scan your package.json file. So there are two. It's still in a beta. Major work is still going on it. So there is a chances the result may not be a full-fledged one, but they are working on it to make sure, okay, you have an existing project and you want to scan those packages and know that what is your current trend and what is the current size of the particular packages. You can still do that. Let me try to upload one file here. Let me get my file, see here the package.json. Let me see where is the package.json. Yeah, so I will upload it here and it shows this is a kind of package already there in a my package.json file and ask me to check out can I scan my 14 packages. Let's scan it. Now it's scanning is happening is I like this UI like how exactly the calculating and populating the data. So it's one by one coming the same details like you can see this minimum 2.5 KB, that is the minify version, min plus GGIF, slow 3G network, how much time, 4G network, how much it will time? It's all on a ms second. So this way you can find out your existing project package.json file, and you will get to know how your bigger is the bundle, so that you can optimize it and you can save your day by reducing your bundle size and increasing your page speed, and plus saving some cost, which actually service cost for your data storage and loading the data that is stored into a CSV and JS file. So to recap, the Bundlephobia is an invaluable resource for the web developer like me looking for streamline their package management and enhance their application. So it's easy to use and provide all essential data you need to make informed decision. You won't regret checking out this. So if you found this information helpful, be sure to check it out, this Bundlephobia package tool, so that you will be happy. And we love to hear you about your experience with the package management. Any tip you might have, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next week.